In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under halogens. So guys, we have 20 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, when chlorine is added to slake lime, the product obtained is, we have hydrochloric acid, oxochlorate, 1 acid, chlorinated water, bleaching powder. So the right option is option D, which is what? Bleaching powder. That's it for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says, which of the following statements about chlorine and iodine at room temperature is correct? Chlorine is gas and iodine is solid. Yes, this is the right answer. It's not option B, it's not option C, it's not option D. So the right one is option A. Chlorine is gas and iodine is solid. That's it for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says, which of the following arrangement is in order of increasing metallic property? We have lithium less than sodium, sodium is less than potassium. Okay, potassium less than lithium, lithium is less than potassium. Then we have potassium, we have sodium is less than lithium, lithium is less than potassium. Okay, we have potassium is less than sodium, sodium is less than lithium. We have potassium is less than lithium, lithium is less than potassium. So guys, the right option to this question will be option A, which is lithium is less than sodium and sodium is less than potassium. Since metallic property increases down the group, so the right option is option A. That's it for this question. The next question of this one, it says, which of the following halogens is the most reactive? So is fluorine gas. Okay, next question will be this one. It says, which of the following non-metals react most readily with metals? We have sulfur, nitrogen, chlorine, carbon. The right option is option C, which is chlorine. Chlorine is going to require one electron to be completely filled at the atom shell. Alright, so that one electron that is going to require makes it most readily reactive with metal. Alright, so the next question will be this one. It says, which of the following equations does not illustrate correctly one of the reactions of chlorine? So looking at the equations, we have option A. Okay, it's looking like option A. Let's look option B. No. Calcium hydroxide plus chlorine. No. We are looking for the one that is correct, that will not, which of the following equation does not illustrate correctly one of the reactions of chlorine. So it's not option B. Option B is a reaction with chlorine. Option C is a reaction with chlorine. Option D is a reaction with chlorine. So it's option A. Option A is the exception here. This equation does not correctly illustrate a reaction of chlorine. Okay, so right option is option A. That's for this question. The next question will be this one. It says, arrange the following elements in order of increasing electron affinity. So electron affinity is a periodic property in which it increases across the period and decreases down the group. Alright, so the correct arrangement, yes, according to increasing electron affinity, will be, so we're going to have iodine gas first, followed by bromine gas, followed by chlorine gas, and then followed by fluorine gas. Iodine, bromine, chlorine, and fluorine. Option B. So that's for this question. Next repeated question will be this one. It says, if humid air is polluted by chlorine discharge, the air can be restored by sprinkling acidified potassium manganese 4. So that's it. The right option is option A. Okay, the next question will be this one. It says, chlorine is prepared on a large scale by action of concentrated tetraoxo surfaces on sodium chloride. No. Action of manganese 4 oxide on hot concentrated hydrochloric acid. No. Oxidation of concentrated hydrochloric acid with potassium tetraoxo manganate 7. No. We have electrolysis of concentrated sodium chloride solution. Yes, the right option is option D, guys. Okay, very important. Next question will be this one. It says, which of the following arrangements is in decreasing order of atomic radius? So atomic radius increases down the group and decreases across the period. So the correct order here will be, let's check guys, it's not option A, it's not option B, it's not option C, is option D guys. So in that, in the arrangement of your elements in the periodic table, after lithium you see beryllium, before you see boron, and then carbon. So right option is option D. Okay, so that's it for this question. Alright, the next repeated question will be this one. It says a sample of a gas may be identified as fluid if it turns damp blue litmus paper red, no; lime water milk, no; lead ignorant paper black, no; starch iodide paper blue; starch iodide paper blue black. Yes, the right option is option D. Next question with this one. It says which of the following halogens is liquid at room temperature? That's bromine. Alright, take note of this question guys, option B. Next question with it says which of the following arrangements shows increasing order of reactivity of the halogens? Okay, so increasing order of reactivity of the halogens. So the halogens, their reactivity decreases down the group. Alright, so the right answer to this question will be, we have option A, iodine gas less than bromine gas less than chlorine gas less than fluorine. Alright, so yeah, that's the right option. It can't be option B, no; it's not option C, it's not option D, it's option A guys. So that's for this question. Let's repeat the question with this one. It says which of the following gases is not acidic? So it will be carbon monoxide, which is neutral. Alright, all of these other gases are acidic except carbon monoxide, which is a neutral gas. Alright, so the next repeated question with this one. It says which of the following halogens is solid at room temperature? Solid at room temperature. So guys, the right answer to this question is option B, iodine. Alright, iodine is solid at room temperature, while bromine is liquid at room temperature, chlorine is gaseous at room temperature. Always differentiate these guys. The next repeated question will be this one. It says which of the following properties is characteristic of the halogens? So we have option A, ability to form basic oxide, ability to donate electrons readily, formation of colored compounds, ability to accept electrons readily. So guys, the right option in this question would be option D, ability to accept electrons readily. That's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says which of the following sets of elements is arranged in order of increasing first ionization energy? So ionization energy increases across the period and decreases down the group. So the correct order will be, so let's check. So the correct option will be this option A. So I can't actually pronounce this element now, but the atomic number here is the highest, 37. After it we have potassium, sodium, lithium. Okay, so the right option here is option A guys. So this is the correct order of increasing first ionization energy. So for all of these elements are in group 1 basically. So for the one that has the highest atomic number to the least. So that's it for this question. The last question we have here before I end this video with this one. It says which of the following halogens is liquid at room temperature? I think we've answered this question already. Right answer is option A, which is bromine. Bromine is liquid at room temperature. Iodine is solid at room temperature. Chlorine is gaseous at room temperature. So guys, this basically can do problems involving halogens for your chemistry practice with about 18 to 20 repeated questions for this video. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video guys. If you are new to this channel, once more ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. So you'll be getting premium information will help you to excel in your next exams you will be writing. Alright guys, having done this, click the next button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.